video is because I wanted to show you guys how to properly separate your roots when you're doing a retwist. Now, as you can see, I'm about to do my son's hair, and like I said in one of my previous videos, each lock has individual hair strands assigned to it. So when separating, it should be very easy. One of the ways you can separate the hair without worrying of popping your locks or tugging on your hair strands is just to simply use a comb and separate it that way. Gently comb it and separate it just like so. Okay, now when you see here, I'm opening it up. Gently comb it, see? Gently comb it just to separate the hair strands, okay? And just like so, as you can see, each hair strand has entered this lock with ease. I didn't have to pull or tug at any of his hair strands, okay? Now, sometimes when you are doing a retwist, now excuse the product on the back of my hand. This is a habit that I have whenever I'm doing someone else's hair. It's just easier to have the product on the back of my hand so I don't have to keep on reaching into the container, okay? So this is why I have the product on the back of my hand. Is just easier to boop boop and put it on the hair as I am doing the retwist. So put a little bit of beeswax right at the root, and as I always say, it doesn't take a lot of beeswax. You just a little goes a long way, okay? Put a little bit on this side just like that. So to do the retwist, I just comb the root a little bit, okay? Just like so. And my son's hair twists to the right, okay? Just like so. Now, as you can see, he has some frizz here. I'm going to go ahead and locksmith his roots, okay? He has a little bit of frizz. I'm going to locksmith. Check out my video, locksmithing. How to do locksmithing. I'll leave it right here, okay? See? Very, very simple. Even with locksmithing, you don't even have to really use a pen, but put a clip on there. Here I am slowing down to show you guys this lock styling technique. Notice that I am twisting to the left. The very same technique we use when we are doing two-strand twist, just involving more locks. This is called chunky twist. Check out my video here at the top of the screen, how to do the perfect two-strand twist. This video is for you guys out there who are into your chunky twist.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's Bodzy, baby, oh. Bodzy, baby, oh. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance. And make you move, move. Make you dance, dance. And make you move, move. Ibadi elulu. Gángan o, ìbàdí ẹ̀lùlù jẹ́jẹ́. Ìbàdí ẹ̀lùlù gángan o, ìbàdí ẹ̀lùlù jẹ́jẹ́. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call am baby o. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ là ń sọ, ṣó máa bá mi lọ lé o, lé o. Let me be your man tonight, tonight. And I just wanna be the one you like, you like. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I'll give you love and affection, I'll give you love and protection. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gone, gone, oh.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I brought with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.